Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use sport mode on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So basically guys, your driving mode, it shows here in your dashboard. I'm going to give you guys a closer look. So basically guys, if your dashboard is in the blue color, it means that you are in the normal driving mode. If it's green, it means that you are in the eco mode, or if it's red, that means that you're using the sport mode. So if you search or look here in your dashboard settings, you're not gonna find the option to change your driving mode, because there is a button for this option. So the button, you're going to find it just here, as you can see guys. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look like this. As you can see guys, here you're going to find drive mode. All you need to do guys is push this button up or down. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like in the dashboard when I do this. So if I push the button up or down, it changes the mode. Here you're going to find the eco mode in green, normal mode and sport mode. Just switch to sport mode and then all of the changes will be saved and you're gonna be switched directly to sport mode. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.